Elephant foot yam sounds exotic, right? It's one of those ingredients that people either absolutely love or feel utterly intimidated by. But I promise, elephant foot yam is a sleeper hit in cooking. It's earthy, versatile, and incredibly satisfying when done right. First off, your biggest pain point, peeling it. Elephant foot yam has a rough, bark-like exterior and a mildly irritating sap that can make your hands itch. Here's the trick. Wear gloves and grease your knife with oil before peeling it. Trust me, this step is key. Once you peel the yam, you'll notice its pale, starchy interior. The next step is to cut it into cubes about 1 inch thick. Precision isn't critical, but keeping the pieces uniform helps them cook evenly. Visualize diced potatoes. The concept is the same. Here's the kicker, though. Raw elephant foot yam can have calcium oxalate crystals that cause throat irritation if not cooked properly. Quick fix? Boil the yam with some tamarind or lemon juice. Acid neutralizes those crystals. A 10-minute boil should do the job. After boiling, the yam softens slightly but still holds its shape. This is where you can get creative. In Indian recipes, for example, they sauté it with mustard seeds, chili, and curry leaves. Absolute flavor bomb. Other cultures might bake or fry it. If you want simplicity, here's my recipe for crispy yam fries. Toss the boiled cubes with turmeric, chili powder, salt, and oil. Then air fry or bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. It's healthy and the texture is phenomenal. Crispy outside, tender inside. Pro tip, don't overcrowd your baking sheet or air fryer basket. Yam fries love space for maximum crispiness. Spread them out, maybe 2 batches rather than squeezing everything together in one. Your patience will pay off here. Another solid approach? Mashed yam. It's not as boring as it sounds. Mix the boiled yam with some sautéed garlic, olive oil, and fresh herbs. Grind in a little black pepper. It's creamy, earthy, and pairs ridiculously well with grilled fish. Worried about the flavor being too earthy? Elephant foot yam does have a distinct taste, slightly nutty, slightly woody. The acid from lemon, tamarind, or even vinegar balances it beautifully. Also, adding spices or aromatics can elevate it like nothing else. The beauty of elephant foot yam is how nutrient-dense it is. A single serving comes packed with fiber, potassium, and B vitamins, and it's super filling, so a little goes a long way. Honestly, it's a culinary underdog that deserves more attention. One last hurdle people mention: availability. It might not be at every grocery store, but check specialty Asian or Indian markets. Here in Portland, I've found it at local South Asian shops without fail. Always worth asking around. Cooking elephant foot yam for the first time might feel like a small project, but once you get through peeling, boiling, and seasoning it, you'll see why it's worth the hype. It's hearty, customizable, and a great addition to your cooking repertoire. Try it. You'll thank me later.